Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. Today we're looking at a sentence, and we have some sentences on the whiteboard. Today let's take a look at that. Number 1, the president has a very large house. 2, I am tired. 3, Ellen is my best friend. 4, Tony drives very fast. 5, he did all his homework. 6, under the bridge. Now, what is different between 6 and 1 to 5? Well, in 1 to 5, they all make complete sense. He has a large house, the president does. I'm tired. Ellen is my best friend. Tony drives very fast. He did all his homework. They all make complete sense. So a sentence makes complete sense, but under the bridge doesn't. Under the bridge, what happens under the bridge? We're not too sure. So this under the bridge is what we call a phrase. Okay? P-H-R-A-S-E. A phrase. A phrase makes some sense, but doesn't make complete sense. Now let's take a look at what's also common about a sentence. We said when we looked at English word order that there's always an action word and a subject in a sentence. Let's see if you can pick out the action word here. First one, the president has a very large house. Action word is has. It's the verb. Whenever you're not too sure if something is a verb, ask yourself, can I perform this action? Can I do that? Can you have? Of course you can. Who or what has? The answer is the president. So the president is the subject. The president has a very large house. President, subject, has, verb, very large house, extension. It extends the sentence. Sentence number 2. I am tired. What's the action word or words there? There's 2. Am and tired. You can tire, that's a verb, and am comes from the verb to be. It means that you are alive, you exist. Who am tired? I am tired. So I'm tired, they are verbs. I is the subject. Ellen is my best friend. What's the action word there? Well, it's not best because you can't best. It's not my, you can't my. It's not friend, you can't friend. Is the action word. Very small, and in Creole we tend to leave out that little word. We don't recognize that it's the verb. Who is my best friend? Ellen is. So Ellen is the subject. My best friend is the extension. 4. Tony drives very fast. What's the action word there? Drives. Who drives? Tony does. To drive is the verb. Tony is the subject. Very fast is the extension. He did all his homework. What's the action word? Did. You can do things. So, did is the verb. Who did? Tony did. He did. Subject. He did all his work. The extension, all his work. Let's come to this last one. Under the bridge. Under the bridge is a phrase. It doesn't make complete sense. However, if we add some words to it, I can make it a sentence. So under the bridge, there lives a monster. Does it make complete sense now? Yes, it does. Okay? But hold on. In all of these sentences, we have subject, 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 verb, 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 and the extension. What is subject here? Well, first thing we do is find the verb. What's the action word here? Under the bridge, there lives a monster. Lives. We can live. So the verb is here. If I ask who or what lives, the answer is not a bridge, but it's a monster. So we could change this sentence around to write it like this. A monster lives under the bridge. And that way, we have our same word order. Lives is the verb. Who or what lives? Monster is the subject. Under the bridge is the extension. So the English word order is intact. Subject, verb, extension. So remember, a subject makes complete sense. It has a verb and a subject. Okay? And it ends with a full stop. Begins with a capital letter. Alright? Great. Thank you for choosing PTI, BetterGradesFast.com. I'll see you soon.